Well, this is Fire Larry and Charlie, and we're in Dothan, Alabama. That's the old train station. And let's come around here to the back and see if we got anything on the back. And sure enough, there's an engine there. He is backing up, heading back to the yard there, doing some switching. And this is an old train station, formerly used for the Atlantic coastline. And I believe it was probably built in the early 1900s, and sure enough, in 1907. We'll walk down here a little bit. Charlie's investigating. This is our first time here. It's in an older section now of Dothan. We're gonna walk on around here. This is the entrance to the old station. Granite up there at the top of the windowsills and bottom. And we'll walk on around. And there's that CSX engine way in the background backing up into the yard. Hey, you never know what you're going to see when you're out driving around. And we will try to catch a train somewhere and catch it all. But just thought you'd like to see this whole station here in Dothan, Alabama. Take care. Hey, if you like, hit the like button. Subscribe. It won't cost you anything. And this is Fire Larry and Charlie, and we are in Dothan, Alabama, the old train station.